Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are grubbing down on some KFC. I haven't had it in forever, literally since the last time I made a video on it. So we have famous bowl. You guys already know I'm obsessed with this. I got some grilled chicken wedges, and then underneath here I have some coleslaw. Coleslaw is really not important to show, you know. But yeah, let's get it in because you already know the deal. Your girl is starving. How are my lovies doing today? It is a ugly, gloomy day in New York. It is currently Tuesday. I leave tomorrow for a little getaway. Ooh, the hot. And yeah, I wanted to make sure, you know, I filmed prior so you guys have some good, you guys don't miss me when I'm gone. I've been running around all morning. You know me, last minute Nancy. I literally have never gotten out of my car, like in and out of my car so many times in a row. Like, I was getting tired. I'm complaining, right? That's first world problems. I'm complaining about getting in and out of a car. Lord. You gotta catch yourself sometimes, you know? You gotta catch yourself with the first world problem sometimes. You gotta put yourself in check. You know, first world problems is like, oh my God, my iPhone's acting up today. First world problem. I don't know. Yesterday was my sister's birthday, Monday, February 3rd. So, my older sister. So, shout out to her. Happy birthday, Roxy. By the time she sees it, it's going to be late, but we celebrated with her yesterday. The family went out to dinner. It was nice. And the cake was bomb. You already know, Dominican cake. Dominican cake be fire. Look at these wedges. Oh yeah. Yeah, Super Bowl was fun. Yeah. What else was new? Your girl got her hair done. I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys already. Maybe. My videos are like, I filmed it at different times, so then I posted them, you know what I mean? Sierra Miss, you already know the deal. Yeah, I leave tomorrow morning. Well, Wednesday morning. And I'm literally... I'll probably be posting on like IG, but when I go away, I kind of really like to just focus on the getaway, you know what I'm saying? And that's kind of the time that I kind of like zen. If you hear noise in the back, of my sister, my little sister. I love their grilled chicken. Oh, good. I don't like their fried chicken. It is way too greasy for me. Way too greasy. That halftime show though, comment down below what you thought of it. It was so good. When I see stuff like that, it makes me so proud to be like Latina, you know? Because we doing it big. Who would have thought we would have one of the biggest performances ever? I say we like I was there. Like I performed. If you guys don't get their famous bowl, look at that. This is like the perfect bite. It has mashed potatoes, gravy, cheese, corn, and popcorn chicken. You don't like the famous bowl?
No, because
of the cheese? There goes our cheese problem. I think I'm mom. Whew. This morning, I got up to move my car. And, honey, when I get up to move my car, because, you know, here in New York, we got alternate side parking, you know what I'm saying? So, when I get up to move my car, I literally roll out of bed, okay? So I go move my car, and whatever the hell I'm wearing to bed, throw on whatever shoes I see first. On my hair, you either get a lion or like a little tame lion, you know what I'm saying? But I look a hot ass mess. This morning, I don't know if hot ass mess is what some guys like to see. But I get out of my apartment and this guy's like, good morning, beautiful. I'm like, I thought he was being sarcastic. So I was like, morning. And I kept walking to my car, right? Because I thought he was being sarcastic. Because I'm telling you, your girl looks a hot mess. Oh, I forgot there was coleslaw down here. So I was like, this fucking guy is trying to be sarcastic. Excuse my French. Here, put the top over, please. So I continue walking to my car, whatever. I put my rear view mirrors, my side mirrors, whatever the fuck you call them, in, you know, so nobody, like, no, it doesn't get hit off. So, excuse me. I'm taking them out. And then a cop car, it stops at the light. And I'm walking to my car. And I hear like honking. But like they're trying to get someone's attention, you know, because it's not like a like the light is green, you know, it was kind of like a toot toot. I happened to look up. And the officer is like, hi. The officers around here, they're stank. Like, Queens officers are the most stank officers ever. I don't know why. I don't know. But they're stank around here. So I was like, like that, right? One, I'm not a morning person. And two, just not in the mood. So I was like, He's like, oh, smile, beautiful. And I was like, And I went into my car. So I was like, why the hell do I bother getting dolled up? I might as well just, roll out of bed. I got better chances of talking to people. But when I look back, I was like, damn, I kind of feel bad for the first guy. Because I kind of like yelled at him. I was like, morning! He was like... He kind of did it like a take back. So, if you see this by any chance, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, you know, just not a morning person. I picked like the worst times to go out because there's a school around me. So I like to go move my car before 7 a.m. because at 7 a.m. the teachers start coming. They're looking for parking. The school teachers are coming. They're looking for parking. The traffic picks up because parents are dropping off their kids. I woke up though at 8 a.m. which is horrible because that's when everyone is double parked. They're causing traffic. School buses are there. Like, worst time to go. So I was like, damn, bro. So I was already annoyed because of that. And I was like, damn, I'm really not going to... It's going to take me a while to find parking now because all the school teachers take up the parking. Obviously, they got to get to school before 8. So I was like, damn, bro. But whatever, you win some, you lose some. I feel like I'm talking a lot today. I don't know why. So, this may be TMI for some of you guys, but it's natural, okay? No shame in my game. I went to go get my wax. My bikini wax. So, I got this new lady because the one that used to do mine left. So, I got this new lady. My old lady knows that I liked her because she didn't talk to you while while you're getting a wax, you know? This new lady, she did a good job, but she wanted to know my whole life story. Now, I don't like talking when I got my bikini wax because, you know, that's an intimate time for me. I just like closing my eyes, getting it done, and leaving. Shorty wanted to know where I live, what I do for a living. Where am I going? Why am I not at work today? I was like, honey. And I'm not rude. Like, I'll answer the questions, you know? But I'm giving her short answers, hoping that she'll catch on, you know? Nope. The more I answered, the more she asked. I was like, oh my God. But whatever, she did a good job. Comment down below what your favorite thing from Popeyes. Whoa. What your favorite thing from KFC is. My favorite thing is this. This and the grilled and clearly I can't saute. The grilled chicken. Everything else is it's alright. Like I like their wedges, but I'm not crazy about their wedges, you know? I'm not crazy about their mac and cheese. Everything else, I kind of prefer from Popeyes. Popeyes chicken, French fries, mashed potatoes, fire. I don't really get their mac and cheese really to compare, like to know which one's better, but I'm not really a mac and cheese person, to be honest with you guys.
KFC's is way better than Popeye's mac and cheese.
Yeah?
Popeye's is a little more liquidy. KFC is thicker.
Yeah, whatever. Mm-hmm. Your girl's fault. All right, lovies. I will see you when I get back. Don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats. Peace.